Easy, Han, don't shoot. All right, we're here to show respect to the Stormtroopers today and talk about some of my Stormtrooper-esque knives. So, without further ado, these are 3 knives that I would recommend. And I will start from smallest to largest with the Kizer Banish, and coming in at 2.3 inches of Nitro V steel, really smooth button lock action, nice action all together, super small compact size, nice pocket clip, very recommendable. CJRB Pyrite Light. Now technically this is an off-white or light gray, but this is a super nice lightweight knife. It fits really nice in pajama pants, I can tell you that. It's almost my EDC for work from home pajama pants, and super smooth, good utilitarian sheep's foot type blade, front finger choil, very comfortable, and smooth in and out of even cloth pajama pants. So highly recommendable as well, especially for $30. This one's coming in around $40, $42 right now. I luckily got it on sale, 30% off. It was like 26 bucks, 30 bucks pretty much consistently. Sometimes you can get it for like 27. And then this was the $5 Ozark Trail 7.5 inch slide lock in stainless steel. Not really a great steel, pretty decent action, good value for $5. These are all recommendable. That one I don't think is available or wasn't for very long. RPM 9 steel on this one I forgot to mention, but you know, overall this is probably my favorite of the group. Again, they'd all be recommendable, and my group of Stormtroopers agrees. Actually, Han's already lowered his weapon. Take care, everybody.